VWAP Indicator with alerts for MT5. Want to know when the price hits important levels? This VWAP indicator helps you do just that. What makes this tool special? Works in MetaTrader 5, MT5. Sends alerts when price touches VWAP. Can notify you on your phone. Uses standard VWAP settings but lets you customize them. Check the link in the description below to download a free version of the VWAP Indicator alerts for MT5. Key features. Time cycles. You can pick when VWAP starts fresh. Most traders use daily cycles, but you can change this to match your trading style. Price options. Choose what price to use. Closing price, most common. Opening price. High price. Low price. Middle price. And more. Smoothing choices. The VWAP calculation itself has no smoothing, but traders have found that using exponential smoothing on VWAP can provide faster opportunities. 1. Simple, regular VWAP calculation. 2. Exponential, faster signals, not good for 5-minute charts or less. 3. Smoothed, similar to regular VWAP. 4. Linear weighted, works well on all time frames. Price channels. You can add upper and lower bands around your VWAP. Upper band, usually set at 0.33%. Lower band, usually set at 0.33%. Alert types. Get notified when price touches VWAP, crosses above or below VWAP, hits the upper or lower bands. How to get alerts. Sound alerts on your computer. Pop-up messages in MT5. Phone notifications. Email alerts. The best part. You don't need to watch your charts all day. The tool sends alerts to your phone when the price hits important levels, letting you trade smarter, not harder. Check the description below to download the VWAP indicator for MT5 and more.